Do you want to be a millionaire? Well, it's not an impossible dream. In fact, it's quite achievable if you follow the right steps. In this video, we'll outline the steps to become a millionaire in just 5 years. We'll discuss the planning process and what you need to do to make it happen. So if you're ready to start growing your wealth, then keep watching. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. The first step is understanding that you need to avoid all bad debt. This includes anything that doesn't directly or securely make you money. Buying a property with a down payment and a mortgage in a secure market could be considered good debt if the rent covers the repayments and general maintenance. It's going to be appreciating in value and therefore makes you money. But buying a new crypto coin with a credit card is a bad and risky debt. You are gambling that the coin will go up in value, and if it doesn't, you'll be left holding worthless coins and debt that will limit your future options. Simply put, bad debt makes it much harder to achieve your financial goals. Step 2 is downsizing your life. Are you willing to go all in for the next 5 years? To sacrifice some of your comforts to make bigger and faster gains? If the answer is no, then this is fine, but understand that it will take you much longer to reach your financial goals. We get trapped by the things that we want and own. Money is just a numbers game. The more you keep, the more you make. If you can sell your car and move to a smaller or shared apartment, then you will have more disposable income to invest. Step 3 is creating your wealth building action plan. This plan should include setting realistic financial goals and developing a strategy for achieving them. You also need to invest in yourself by acquiring the skills and knowledge that will help you grow your wealth. First off, create a budget of what's coming in and going out. This includes what you need each month for day-to-day living, along with a small emergency fund to fall back on. Once you know how much is left over, estimate how much you will be able to invest each year based on the current numbers. You can adjust amounts later as your earnings go up. Now, assuming you are working on a 5-year plan, you will need to work out the return on investment required to reach $1 million. So, for example, if you can invest $25,000 per year for the next 5 years, and you're getting a 20% return on your money each year, then you would be making the following. End of year 1, $31,250. End of year 2, $70,312. End of year 3, $119,140. End of year 4, $180,175. End of year 5, $256,468. So by these numbers, with compound interest, you wouldn't reach your target of $1 million in 5 years, but you would in 10 years. So you could either move to a 10-year plan or look for something that's going to give you a greater rate of return, which will most likely be starting a business. But remember, the greater the return, the greater the risk. So you need to decide what your risk tolerance is. Once you know what you can invest, you will have a better understanding of the type of investments required, be it investing in stocks, property, or businesses. Number 4, making your money work for you. Compound interest is the simplest way to make your money work for you. You put it in a high interest account or stock, and you are paid a percentage each year. But with inflation climbing, is this really the best strategy? The value of your money may still be going down if inflation is higher than your annual return. So you need to learn to think outside of the box. When dealing with smaller amounts of money, the best option may be to invest in yourself first. Educate yourself on businesses that can help you make money while you sleep. Once you have a scalable business, then you can truly build wealth. This could be promoting affiliate products, investing in vending machines, selling products online, flipping properties, or even being an angel investor. It all depends on the amount you have and what interests you the most. Skills and knowledge are almost always a good investment when it comes to making money. Step 5 is creating multiple income streams. You know the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, all investments carry risk, so you don't want to bet it all on one thing. Nor do you want to lock all your money into one place, as this removes your options for future opportunities. You could have some of your money in low-risk investments that will bring you $1 million in 15 years, and put the rest of it in high-risk businesses that will bring you the $1 million in just 5 years. It can take time and a solid roadmap to become a millionaire, especially if you're starting from scratch. But 5 years is definitely achievable with the right investment and a good wealth building strategy. If you're still young, say in your 20s and 30s, start slowly by taking advantage of compound returns, while investing in a side hustle that can bring you even greater profits. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you found value in it, then hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe for more money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.